Good afternoon, everybody. Fossil Bill here. Welcome back to my shop. And here is a little tip and trick video for all you lapidary people out there who use aluminum scribes for marking slabs that end up having their scribes look like this, rounded and dull, and not making a really accurate line. I found a really good hack for making them look like this. So what it entails is buying one of these vintage pencil sharpeners. You basically buy the pencil sharpener, set it to its smallest setting. I tried it with an electric pencil sharpener off of Amazon, but it took too much pressure to start, and then it just dug in and froze up the sharpener. So with this, you can start it and just grind away with minimal pressure, and it does a great job at sharpening up the scribe. It doesn't take very long. You can mount it right to your bench top. It collects all the shavings. This is just a vintage Boston brand pencil sharpener. They're available on eBay from between $15 to $20, and they work great. As you can see, you can obviously tell which one I sharpened with the pencil sharpener. So that's my tip and trick video for the day. Have a good one. Keep rocking.